Taisha, who's that?
Is that it for the Star Wars?
Yeah. Lapit ka pa. Baka may pa-magic na naman to. Ano name na ito? Yun o, yung robot.
Hi friends, as we enter in, make sure to fill in all this available space. No need for a single file line. The closer you get, the better look you get at our file.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipment. And that is where you come in.
Ayun o, ma-under pala to.
For some very fast and very profitable expeditions.
Taisha movie o.
You let us use the ship. We want you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I did all the talking. What? The first order was never known we were there. Okay, time to go, so alright, we better go before he changes his mind. Good luck, my friends. This is really
Let's go! Taisha, hold to your mom. May bata, wait lang. G, may bata. Sorry. May bata, paunahin mo.